guys, it's another beautiful day. In today's episode of video, how are you all doing? Hope you are good. So in today's video, I decided to cook porridge and my baby asleep. He's busy turning everywhere upside down. He's feeling sleepy. Instead of him to tell me to babu him so he'll be able to sleep, he's busy disturbing me. Do this one, do this one, do this one, do this one. Just busy turning everywhere upside down. So I want to make porridge yam before my children will come back from school. You know, school now, almost all the school have started exam since last week. While some has finished. But my children, they will finish tomorrow, being Friday. And some schools has closed, while some has finished, you understand? So let me cook porridge yam for them before they will come back. Because if they come back now, no food, wahala, they are going to cry. This is my second daughter. If this one come back now, there is no food. If you want to make her happy, and she's coming back from school, make sure you have something for her. But not that I don't used to give them anything, no. She used to go with something. But that one, I don't know. So I'm trying my possible best to cook fast before they will come back, okay? So I'm cooking porridge here. And we are going to be using tomato. I've got my onion. So we'll be using this tomato to do it. To do the cooking. I have another challenge now. Finally asleep. Honestly. So guys, stay tuned to the video as we do the cooking, okay? So don't forget to like, don't forget to comment. And also don't forget to subscribe, okay? And you can also help me share the video as well, okay? I love you guys all. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. We are moving, we are pushing. Okay, so we keep pushing, we keep moving. We will reach there. Now small, I believe God will do it. It's just a matter of time. It will take time, but it must surely happen. Yeah. So that is it. Okay? Stay tuned to the video. We are growing gradually. We will reach there. Okay? We will reach there. Now small. That's life for you. Life na JJ. So you're pounding onion. First of all, I'll pound the onion first. And after that, I'll add my onion. So just added my onion. We'll be putting our tomato and onion. added salt, Maggi, and what next? So this is my pepper, added pepper. Stir it. Then I cover. So at this point, we're gonna be adding our yam. Oh, cool. So let's just stir it until they marinate themselves. So I'm gonna cover it. Let it cook. So we're using 3 onions for this delicious meal. So guys, at this point our food is ready. It's ready. You know, but it's just the catching what I'm doing. Which one is Yaya again? What is Yaya? But that's you, they're playing. See it. So if you finish, drink your water. Don't hear anything. I finish. Let me go and add. Eat. So guys, at this point the food is ready. So if you come across, if you watch this video to the extent, that means you enjoyed the video. Okay, so thank everyone for your support. I really appreciate it. Have a wonderful day.